children, how was your day? Are you ready for a story? For today's Bedtime Stories with EvA, I'll be reading you an Aesop fable. Okay, let's begin.
The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. A certain wolf could not get enough to eat because of the watchfulness of the shepherd. But one night he found a sheep's skin that had been cast aside and forgotten. The next day, dressed in the skin, the wolf strode into the pasture with the sheep. Soon a little lamb was following him about and was quickly led away to slaughter. That evening, the wolf entered the fold with the flock. But it happened that the shepherd took a fancy for mutton broth that very evening, and picking up a knife, went to the fold. That the first he laid hands on and killed was the wolf. The end. The moral of the story is, the evildoer often comes to harm through his own deceit.
Thank you for today. Hope you enjoy watching and listening to my bedtime stories. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter and Facebook for more upcoming videos in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Good night. Bye-bye.